Arabic have equals.
عند.
From I have to they have. Welcome. Hey, do. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly guide to fun language wins. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Today you master have in Arabic. In everyday Arabic, possession often uses two handy tools.
عند.
And.
لدى.
Think it or with me to mean I have. Your goal today. Stay close, you'll nail all persons in minutes. By the end, you can say, have, I have, you have, he has, she has, it has, we have, you have, plural, and they have, smoothly, confidently, and with a smile. Forms you can say right now. Repeat after me and feel the rhythm. I have equals.
عندي.
Or.
لدي.
You have, singular M, equals.
عندك.
Or.
لديك.
You have, singular F, equals.
عندك.
Or.
لديك.
He has equals.
عنده.
Or.
لديه.
She has equals.
عندها.
Or.
لديها.
It has equals.
لديه.
For things, devices. We have equals.
عندنا.
Or.
لدينا.
You have, plural, equals.
عندكم.
Or.
لديكم.
They have equals.
عندهم.
Or.
لديهم.
Mini dialogue, the forgetful magician. Listen in and shadow the bold parts. A. Do you have the ticket? You have it, right? B. Yes, I have it.
عندي. عندي.
Equals I have. A. And he has the key? B. Of course.
لديه.
He has it. A. What about Sarah? She has the map? B. Relax.
لديها.
She has it. A. And the car, does it have fuel? B. Yes, it has plenty.
لديه.
A. Team, do we have snacks? B. We have everything.
لدينا.
And you have tickets, right, team? Team. Yes, we do. You have, plural.
لديكم.
Drills. Quick wins. Your turn, respond fast. I'll cue English, you fire Arabic. I have a book. Say.
عندي كتاب.
You have, singular M, time. Say.
لديك وقت.
She has an idea. Say.
لديها فكرة.
He has the key. Say.
لديه المفتاح.
It has a camera. Say.
لديه كاميرا.
We have a plan. Say.
لدينا خطة.
You have, plural, 2 tickets. Say.
لديكم تذكرتان.
They have no time. Say.
ليس لديهم وقت.
Culture tip. Verses, and friends. Tiny tip, huge clarity. Both.
عند.
And.
لدى.
Express have in Arabic.
عند.
Is super common in speech.
عندي.
Equals I have a book.
لدى.
Forms like.
لديه.
Often sound a bit more formal. For places, you'll often hear in it patterns like city has a metro.
المدينة فيها مترو.
Quiz time. Answer out loud. I'll reveal the key after a short pause. Ch.1, translate. Do you have, singular, time? A.
هل لديك وقت؟
M, or.
هل لديك وقت؟
F. Q2, say, we have coffee. A.
لدينا قهوة.
Q3, say, they have the tickets. A.
لديهم التذاكر.
Q4, true or false, it has equals.
لديه.
A. True. Q5, fill the blank, you have, plural, ideas. Underscore 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 underscore. A.
لديكم.
Speed challenge. Rapid fire chain. Say them faster than me. Ready? Go. I have.
عندي.
You have, SGM.
لديك.
You have, SGF.
لديك.
He has.
لديه.
She has.
لديها.
It has.
لديه.
We have.
لدينا.
You have, plural.
لديكم.
They have.
لديهم.
Wrap up. Yes, did it. Quick recap and next step. You now own have in Arabic. Have, I have, you have, he has, she has, it has, we have, you have, plural, they have, with.
عند.
And.
لدى.
Forms. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing these lines daily, and for more lessons, games, and downloads, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Brought to you by Synapse Lingo, learn smart, laugh often.